Imagine we could see the future. What if we had the power to predict events before they happen, to foresee trends and make decisions with unprecedented accuracy? Not with magic, but with data. Data is the new oil, a resource so valuable that it can transform industries and change the way we live. Data science is like a crystal ball showing us hidden patterns in our everyday lives. It's a field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to extract meaningful insights from data. It helps us understand the past, figure out the present, and most importantly, predict what's coming next. By analyzing historical data, we can identify trends and make informed predictions about future events. From the things we buy to the traffic we sit in, every click and choice creates data. This data is collected, stored, and analyzed to provide insights that can improve our daily lives. This data, like pieces of a puzzle, holds the key to understanding our world. Each piece of data is a small part of a larger picture, and when combined, they reveal patterns and trends that were previously hidden. Data science helps us put those puzzle pieces together. It uses algorithms and machine learning to analyze large data sets and uncover insights that can drive decision-making. It lets us see the big picture and guess what's next. By visualizing data, we can identify trends and patterns that are not immediately obvious, allowing us to make predictions about future events. Think about it. What if we could predict sicknesses before they happen? By analyzing health data, we can identify risk factors and predict the likelihood of certain diseases, allowing for early intervention and prevention. What if we could stop traffic jams before they even start? By analyzing traffic data, we can predict congestion and optimize traffic flow, reducing delays and improving efficiency. This is the power of data science. It's a field that is transforming industries and changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's not about guessing, but about using information to make our lives better. By leveraging data, we can make informed decisions that improve our quality of life and drive progress. So get ready as we explore the amazing world of data science. We'll dive into the techniques and tools used by data scientists to extract insights from data and see how these insights are applied in the real world. We'll learn how it works, see what it can do, and get a peek at a future powered by data. A future where data-driven decisions lead to smarter cities, healthier lives, and a more connected world. Data science is like being a detective. Just as a detective pieces together clues to solve a mystery, data scientists sift through vast amounts of information to uncover hidden patterns and insights. It's about finding clues and solving mysteries hidden in data. Every dataset holds a story, and it's the job of the data scientist to bring that story to light. Think of it like this. You have a messy room full of stuff. That's raw data. At first glance, it might seem chaotic and overwhelming. Data science helps you clean the room, organize everything, and find what's important. By sorting through the clutter, you can identify the valuable items and discard the unnecessary ones. First, we collect raw data from different places. This data can come from a variety of sources, each providing a unique piece of the puzzle. This data could be anything: what people buy online, the weather, or even traffic patterns in a city. Each type of data offers a different perspective, or even what people post on social media. Social media data can reveal trends in public opinion, popular topics, and emerging issues. Then we clean the data, fixing errors and making it reliable. This step is crucial because accurate data is the foundation of any meaningful analysis. Once it's clean, we look for patterns, trends, and connections. By analyzing the data, we can uncover relationships that were not immediately obvious. This helps us understand what the data is telling us. Finally, we build models. These models are sophisticated tools that help us make sense of complex data. These are like math equations that show the patterns we found. They allow us to quantify relationships and make predictions based on the data. These models help us make predictions. For instance, we can forecast future sales, predict customer behavior, or even anticipate market trends. For example, by looking at what people bought in the past, we can predict what they'll want in the future. This helps businesses make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Data science gives us the tools to understand all the information around us, revealing its hidden story. It transforms raw data into valuable insights, enabling us to make better decisions and uncover new opportunities. Now let's talk about machine learning, the brains behind many data science predictions. Machine learning is a fascinating field that combines computer science and statistics to enable computers to learn from data. It's like giving a computer the ability to think and make decisions based on the information it receives. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize a cat. This might sound simple, but it involves a lot of complex processes. You start by showing the computer thousands of pictures of cats. Each picture helps the computer understand what features make up a cat, such as the shape of the ears, the position of the eyes, and the texture of the fur. You show it tons of cat pictures, and it learns what a cat looks like. Machine learning is similar. The computer uses these images to create a model of what a cat looks like. This model is then used to identify cats in new pictures it has never seen before. It's like teaching a child to recognize objects by showing them many examples. We give lots of data to special computer programs called algorithms, and they learn to find patterns and make predictions. These algorithms are designed to process large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. They can identify trends and patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. The more data they use, the smarter they get. This is because the algorithms continuously learn and improve as they process more information. It's like how humans get better at a task the more they practice it. The more data the algorithm has, the more accurate its predictions become. There are different kinds of machine learning. Each type is suited to different kinds of tasks. For example, some algorithms are better at recognizing images, while others are better at understanding natural language or predicting future events. Supervised learning is like our cat example, where we give labeled data for the algorithm to learn from. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset, which means that each training example is paired with an output label. The algorithm learns to make predictions based on this labeled data. Unsupervised learning is like giving the computer a puzzle with no picture on the box. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is given data without explicit instructions on what to do with it. It has to find the patterns and group similar things together all on its own. This type of learning is useful for discovering hidden structures in data. It has to find the patterns and group similar things together all on its own. This process is called clustering, and it's used in many applications such as market research, image compression, and bioinformatics. Machine learning is used everywhere. From healthcare to finance to technology, machine learning is transforming industries by providing insights and automating tasks that were previously thought to be impossible. It suggests movies on Netflix, blocks spam emails, and personalizes your online shopping experience. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is making our lives easier and more convenient, and even helps self-driving cars work. Self-driving cars use machine learning to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make real-time decisions. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation and make our roads safer. It's the reason data science can make so many amazing predictions. By analyzing vast amounts of data, machine learning algorithms can predict everything from stock market trends to disease outbreaks, helping us make better decisions and improve our world. Remember the Zika virus? In 2016, it spread quickly, causing worry all over the world. A Canadian company called Blue Dot predicted the outbreak weeks before anyone else. How? Data science. Blue Dot uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to track and predict sickness outbreaks. They collect data from many places, including news stories, airline tickets, and even animal diseases. Their algorithms look at this data for patterns that might show a new threat. With Zika, they saw more people traveling to Brazil from places with Zika-carrying mosquitoes. By connecting the dots, Blue Dot correctly predicted where and when the outbreak would happen. This early warning gave health organizations time to prepare and maybe even saved many lives. This is just one way data science can be used for good, predicting and stopping global threats. Want to try data science? You don't need to be a math genius. Today, there are many easy-to-use tools that make data science simple for everyone. Programs like Python and R are powerful tools made for data analysis and machine learning. Don't be scared of the code. There are many free tutorials and online classes for beginners. Websites like Kaggle give you real-world data and contests, so you can practice and learn from other data fans. Tools like Tableau and Power BI let you create awesome charts and graphs, bringing your data to life. With a little curiosity and effort, anyone can unlock the power of data science and explore the world of predictions. Imagine traffic lights that change in real time, stopping traffic jams before they happen. Imagine doctors diagnosing illnesses perfectly, using predictions based on your medical history. This is the future data science is building. Data science is already changing industries from healthcare to finance. Companies use it to work better, understand customers, and make new products. Governments use it to improve public services, use resources wisely, and solve social problems. In the future, data science will be even more important in our lives. Smartwatches will track our health, giving us personalized advice. Smart homes will know what we need, changing temperature and lights for our comfort. Data science isn't just about numbers, it's about using information to make the world better. It's about understanding the past, figuring out the present, and building the future. Because we're creating more data than ever before, the need for data scientists will only grow. Whether you're a student, working, or just curious about the world, I encourage you to explore the world of data science. Start by learning the basics, trying different tools, and exploring real-world data. Who knows? You might discover the next big thing or create something that changes the world. The future is waiting to be predicted, and with data science, we can make it better.